video, I'm going to share 5 best affiliate marketing programs that you can join to make money with. So there has been a lot of questions from people asking, what product should I promote? What niche are the best one? How much can I make from this? And so I wanted to delve into this and share some of the programs that we are in, and then also some of the programs that I think have the best opportunity this year. I think there's going to be something in here for everyone, whether you are an influencer, a blogger, whether you are like the finance niche or beauty or lifestyle. There's something in here that I think is going to be valuable to you, and also this can be helpful for opening up new opportunities where maybe you haven't thought of a specific niche and you're looking for something to kind of grow your affiliate marketing business. Then this could be valuable. And if you're new here to the channel, make sure you subscribe and you don't miss more videos like this. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. Now the first affiliate program that I need to include here is one you have already heard of, but it's just kind of a necessary one that I think everyone should start with, is Amazon Associate. If you want to get into that Amazon world, but basically you can promote any products that on Amazon and make a commission anywhere between 1 to 10%. That a lot of things end up being like 4% commission on that. If you sell $1,000 worth of products on Amazon, you get about $40, but it does depend on the category. I will throw up just a little chart here showing you the current fee schedule for different products on Amazon. On number 2 here for products and programs that I think are really great for affiliate marketers, this one is called GRUN. So this is in kind of like a health niche, but this is something that I think anyone can promote, and they have a really nice partner program, especially if you are an influencer. If you're making Instagram reels, TikToks, anything along those lines, this can be absolutely perfect. And even like reviews on YouTube, this can be really great. So GRUN is a gummy that helps fill your nutrition gap. So you can see how this could be applicable to pretty much anyone. So whether you are a parent or you are just someone who's looking to get some extra nutrients, they have over 60 different ingredients in there to help with overall just health and support immunity, recovery, anything else, right? So it's pretty easy to promote something like this. You basically get $20 for every referral that you send over. So let's say you make a couple Instagram reel, or you make some couple of TikToks, or maybe you put this in your blog as a product that you use, and you promote that, and you get up to 50 to 100 people to sign up, and that can be quite a bit of money from something like this. So I suggest going over and checking out their referral program. Also just go and buy some and see if you like them. As always, a big thing about affiliate marketing is that you need to understand the product that you are promoting, and it's always good to use it so that you can really make sure that it's something that you like. Okay, the next affiliate program that I want to talk about is one that you probably have shopped at before as well, and that is Target. So they have an affiliate program. They have really been ramping this up lately, and it's one that I'm really excited about. You can earn up to 8% from promoting products on Target. This is really great for a lot of people, especially in the US, where you can promote any product on Target and get commission for that when people purchase online from this company. So this is really great if you are a creator, but you can also be a blogger. You can have a Pinterest account. There's a lot of different type of outlets you can promote on, but they really do like creator and influencer. And just looking at the EPC, the earnings per click from Target, basically per 100 click, the average affiliate with them make about $12 to $13 per 100 click that they are getting from their special Target affiliate link. So that's actually pretty good. If you get 1,000 clicks, you can make $100 to $130. That's going to be very quite a bit based on the quality of the traffic and the type of the customer you send to the Target, but nonetheless this is something that is really cool. The next one I want to talk about here is Adobe. Now Adobe, they have so many different products, and I think this is great for someone who may be a YouTuber, or you're making like tutorial on how to edit videos, or you are making Instagram reels on how to edit photos on Photoshop, and then you can send people to any of the Adobe products. And with their affiliate program, it does vary, but you are getting 85% of the first month subscription that someone pays for for on Adobe. And if you use Adobe products, then you know that these are some pretty expensive products. And so in a lot of cases, people might be spending $72 in a month and you're getting 85% of that. That's pretty good deal. Every time someone signs up for Adobe product using your affiliate link. So this is really helpful for like anyone in graphic design, editing, any type of content like that. This is perfect. But also like honestly, any type of YouTuber or influencer, you can always just find a way to promote this. Like hey, by the way, if you want to edit videos like how I do, you can use this software, and Adobe has tons of products. So like literally just go on their site and look at all the different ones, like dozens of different products that they have that you can see right here, like Photoshop, illustration, and so a lot of stuff there that you can go and explore. So the next one here on the list is Expedia. So with Expedia, you're getting about 6% as an affiliate, and this is for every time someone is paying our hotel or airline or all kind of different things, like even car rentals and cruises. So the good and bad thing about Expedia, the good thing is that like everyone travels, people spend a lot of money on travel, and like look at the 6%. It doesn't sound like a lot, but if someone is spending $2,000 for a hotel for the week and you're getting 6% of that, that is $120 in affiliate commission that you would get from that person's hotel stay when you are using Expedia. So that's pretty cool. This is one of the very versatile. The downside of Expedia is that it is a little bit more stringent. It's more exclusive. I have seen them turn away a lot of potential affiliates because maybe they are just not up to par. They don't kind of meet the standard of that Expedia is looking for. So I would say you might as well apply to the affiliate program. Just don't be too upset or disappointed if they reject you just because they want a certain type of quality of content or certain size of creator or blog that they are looking for. So those are the 5 different affiliate marketing programs I would suggest considering this year. If you have any question, let me know down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be valuable, and I'll see you everybody in the next one.